Stuart, today we're here at Arrow Precision. What is it you do?
So yeah, we're the market leaders in making crankshafts and conrods for race cars, for vintage and pre-production OE. So we can do anything from a one-off up to sort of 50 off is our biggest sort of quantities we do. And the same with the rods, we'll do sort of from 4 off on a 4-cylinder or a single cylinder, right up to a big production run of 400.
And I've had a walk around. It looks like you do everything in-house pretty much. You've got a lot of technology here. Just for our viewers, can you tell us a little more about what technology you have?
Yeah, so everything's done in-house. It's done from billet, either forging or a raw round billet bar. We will rough it out on the lathes. We'll subcontract all our heat treatment, and then we'll finish it off on the integrators, and then it obviously comes over then to the grinding side of things, which is where we are now.
Yeah, and we're stood in front of your latest investment, the impressive Studer machine. Why did you buy this cylindrical grinder?
So we looked long and hard to try and find a universal CNC grinder that was easy for us to use and the guys on the shop floor without too many complications of in-process gauging, and we needed the repeatability and the accuracy that Studer could give us.
Yeah, and like you say, this is, you know, we're splitting microns on this machine. Can we just start with some of the elements of the building machine? Let's start with the base. Tell us more about this.
So when I went over to Switzerland, they kind of explained the granitan base, which is a really stable structure, better than the cast iron. The accuracy and repeatability comes from the machine actually not expanding, growing during the weather, you know, throughout the day. So.
And how about the guides, the Studer guides?
Yeah, so the Studer guides have got a hydrostatic sort of oil film, so all the axes are not actually touching. They're floating on oil on a Studer guide, I guess.
So I know it's got a fast, dynamic B-axis on this machine. What are the advantages of that?
So at the minute we've got sort of a 3-wheel setup. We can use basically 2 external wheels at any point in time. And you can see from the videos you've probably seen it with it rotating. But it's also got an infinite V-axis, so it's accurate to about 5 decimal places on an angle. So if you're doing a complicated 1 in 10 taper or something like that, it isn't just 1 degree or 5 degrees, it's an infinite, a 3 decimal place number. So we can use a square wheel and we can just twist it to the right angle, which saves us then creating an angled wheel.
And you do many complex components here at Arrow. When we look at the FANUC control, how intuitive is it? How easy is it to program?
So the FANUC side of things with the conversational is very simple. You select your wheel, you select your dressing number of times, cycles, your dressing program, and then it's all pictograms, whether you just want to do a plunge grind or a traverse grind, and you just basically fill in the boxes. As simple as that.
And here we're looking at basically cylindrical components, but equally you can do polygons and other things like this as well.
Yeah, so the HSM side of it allows us to do polygons, P3Gs, P4Gs, hexagons, triangles, basically, you know, whatever.
And we're looking at, it's a FANUC drives, FANUC controls, but you know, you've got the Studer Win software built into it as well, haven't you?
Yeah, so the Studer Win's what makes it easy and conversational. I mean, basically it's running on G-code in the background, but it's the Studer Win software that's creating that G-code. So it just makes the operator's life easier. And then we can save every program we've done. We've got thousands of programs since we've had the machine.
And when how does this stack up against your other machines? You've got millions of pounds worth of technology here on site. You know, how does this Studer machine stack up against your other technology, you know, grinders in particular?
So the Studer's basically made our life easier to not have such a skilled member of staff required to run it because of the conversational side. The CNC grinders we've got do require a certain amount of expertise. Since getting this machine, we've got 4 or 5 guys trained up on this, whereas some of our other machines we've only kind of got one sort of expert on the shop floor.
So precision and accuracy is one thing. How about the output, the throughput of the machine?
So when we first spec'd this machine, we bought it because we've got a pile of work and not enough staff basically to get through it on the manual machines. So by setting this machine and running the bigger batches through it, it's allowed our operators to get on and run other machines and the throughput has gone through the roof since we bought this.
And Arrow Precision, you know, you're not scared of investment. When you make future investments, you know, will you be looking at Studer?
I think we will. We've got to look at the financial sides of things, but we've certainly Studer's the way to go. The guys understand the machines, so bringing anything else in would probably just be hard work for the guys on the shop floor.
So just finally, you know, we're sold on the machine. The machine's a quality build, quality machine, great investment for the business. But that's only half of it. How about the training, the service, the ongoing support from Studer?
Yeah, so from day one, it's been fantastic. Initially bought the machine from Mark at Microns. He then passed us through to Studer. Obviously then we spec the machine, and then the training on from that. 3 of us went over to Switzerland for a full week for the basic training. And then all 3 of us then went on for another 3 days on the HSM training. And the service centre is second to none. Thun in Switzerland is the most fantastic place in the world. And they look after you really well over there. It's really good.